Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, Motivation of Life. We hope you're doing great. In this video, we'll talk about getting a Canada work permit in 2023, particularly through the Global Talent Stream, GTS. Are you dreaming of starting a new chapter in Canada with opportunities for growth and a promising future? Your aspirations can become a reality. We'll discuss Canada work permits, focusing on the Global Talent Stream. GTS simplifies the process by removing traditional hurdles like IELTS tests and LMIA assessments, making it an accessible path to your dream job in Canada. Join us as we unlock the details of Canada work permits and shed light on the Global Talent Stream. Goodbye to traditional barriers. With the International Experience Canada (IEC) work permit, you can work in Canada without needing an IELTS test or an LMIA assessment. It's more accessible, costing just $156. Key highlights of IEC work permit. 1. No IELTS or LMIA required. 2. Job offer not always necessary for certain IEC streams. 3. Open work permit for spouses. Introducing the Global Talent Stream, GTS. For a streamlined path to work in Canada, GTS is the answer. It offers employer-specific work permits without requiring an IELTS test, making it very appealing. Key features of GTS. 1. Rapid processing time of just 2 weeks. 2. Simplified application process with a labor market benefits plan. 3. Pathway to permanent residence, PR, after 1 year. 4. Targeted occupations in 2 categories. A and B requirements for GTS. 1. Job offer from a Canadian employer. 2. Category A. Specialized skills and a minimum base salary of $80,000 CAD per year. 3. Category B. Experience in targeted tech occupations with specified wages. Finding job opportunities. Look for job offers through references in Canada, LinkedIn, general job search websites, and the IRCC Job Bank. Application process and processing. Employers handle the application process, and the processing time is about 10 days. In conclusion, the Global Talent Stream offers an efficient way to work in Canada without the hassles of language tests and labor market assessments. It's a fantastic opportunity for both employers and prospective immigrants. Say goodbye to IELTS and LMIA and start your journey to work and live in Canada through the Global Talent Stream. Thank you for watching this video. Let us know your thoughts in the comments. See you in the next episode. Take care.